Hello, teacher and classmates. On my next vacation, I want to know the Colombian Amazon. The landscapes are beautiful. I will travel in August next year with my family. They also like nature and they will be very happy in the place. I'm going to tell to everyone about it and not my family will work hard to make it happen. I'm going to buy a holiday tour see weekends to note the pink dolphins. I think it will be lot fun. Finally, we will get to know the Taimboca Nature Reserve and Amazon World Ecological Park. Thank you.